Hi, Vanessa here. I just received my October Hopebox. So this is my second Hopebox. I will leave a link for the first one I posted. So I haven't opened this yet, so let's unbox it together. Okay, so the first thing we have here is a handmade card and a cute crocheted pumpkin, Hooks and Needles Company from Melinda, and this beautiful mug, Falling Leaves and Coffee Please. Oh, this is just so adorable. It's so perfect, right? For October. Okay, we have a cute hope pendant necklace. Okay, this is pumpkin spice mini soaps. So handmade mini soaps. Looks like it's leaves, autumn leaves. Oh, okay, it's a detox rose clay mask. All Heart Cosmetics. Lovely. So here is a candle. So it says here, fall is sweater weather, crunchy leaves, crisp air, and everything pumpkin spice. Here we have some green tea mints, and it's made with real green tea. Okay, it's tropical mango. Oh, how pretty. Look, it matches my nails. Okay, hand painted. Oh, okay, so these are stuck together. There's actually 2 cards. Take time for you. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to use coupon code Vanessa for 10% off your order. And don't forget to subscribe for future videos. See you next time.